new chat. So the first thing we're gonna do is test out if it can build a snake game, which is my favorite prompt because if you've watched my videos, you know that two models besides ChatGPT have been able to create the snake game in one go. Let's see how it does. Create the game Snake in Python. Now, one thing I've noticed immediately upon testing this is it is extremely fast, much faster than GPT-4. And the way that it outputs is really, really nice. And it seems to complete its inference before actually showing the response. So it doesn't stream. So here we go, prerequisites, game logic, and here's the code. Really fast. And let's copy this code. So we click the copy button right there. Opening up Visual Studio Code, I pasted in the code and I already see an issue. Screen is not defined, but let's play it anyways and let's see if it works. So it looks like it did work, but nothing popped up. It didn't actually do it on the first go. That is very disappointing. Now I want to see if it's able to fix the issue. So I'm going to give it one more try. So I'm going to give it the line of code that I think is causing an issue. And I say, in this line of code, screen is not defined. Also, after running the code, it says, and it gives this output, but nothing actually happens. Let's see if it's able to fix it. You're absolutely right about those issues. Let me address them. So here is the updates. So here we go, screen width, and I'm going to put this at the top. Okay, so I updated the code and now we have screen available to us and nothing happens because it doesn't have a loop. So let's copy this and we'll put this at the end of the code and let's see if that is able to fix the issues. Click play. All right, so something did open, but nothing appeared. So that is a complete fail. That's a really hard one, but GPT-4 is able to do it last time I checked. All right, now I'm going to give it some of my most difficult logic and reasoning problems, one that many open source models fail. So the first one, if we lay 5 shirts out in the sun and it takes 4 hours to dry, how long would 20 shirts take to dry? Explain your reasoning step by step. And in their blog post, they explicitly mentioned that Gemini is very good at logic and reasoning. So let's see. Assumptions, uniform drying conditions, similar fabrics, reasoning, doesn't depend on the number of shirts, constant drying time.